Want to become a BIM engineer or a BIM modeler? Want to confidently crack BIM interviews and stand out from other candidates? Then congratulations, you are at the right place, because in this fundamental series, I am covering only interview based topics, the exact concepts frequently asked in real BIM interviews, and this content is not random. These topics are based on real experience shared by working professionals and students who have already attended BIM interviews. So if you really want to build strong BIM fundamentals, improve your confidence and crack BIM interviews successfully, then this series is for you. And in the next video, we are going to discuss what is BIM and the most common misunderstanding about BIM, one of the most important interview based topic every BIM engineer should understand clearly. So don't miss the next video. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Want